Hello guys, welcome back to this advanced level mathematics YouTube platform, especially combined maths or future pure maths exams, applied mathematics, higher maths, Edexcel, Cambridge mathematics, AS level, further maths, for all through those exam papers, typical exam question answering through my this video series. That's why the paper out video series, most expected problem for those exams. So please subscribe this and share all over for all any groups of mathematics, the students among your friends. Okay, come back to nice questions today. One is the grid, permutation, combination, or counting principles. The problem is how many paths or how many routes can move easily from A to C. The very shortest distance from A to C, how many routes to go, how many paths, the famous combination problem. To go A to C, if I show one part, go along this grid and come here and go and come here. Or if you come like this, go through this and here B and come and go. So many paths, right? Totally how many? So if you refer your theory class notebook, such a grid, there's a way. If it's Ambrose, here there's the problem. Any obstacles, kisima that what you called kisima badavak tora. Left, turn left and upwards, or right and upwards only. No any other obstacles or any route changes. Go through this way and up way, right? Upwards. Go left and up, or right and up. And there's a way of a simple case of if for example this consists of m rows and n rows here, m rows and n columns like that, m rows, n columns. So A to B, as the theory part. Now I want to prove those theories, rightly answering the calculation part only. From A to B to go, for example, it consists of m rows, n column. The theory is factorial m plus, or if I show like this, m plus n factorial over m factorial n factorial, right? Refer this. This is the theory along these grid questions without any obstacle or special conditions. If I avoid any conditions, then you go straightly A to C or somewhere here is the rule. If there are any conditions, then you have to subtract that answer from the given this kind of way. Okay, so come back here. So how many rows here? 1, 2, 3 rows, 4 columns. Okay, here are 2 rows and 2 columns. So first I show you that A to B, right? To go A to B, how many possibilities? To go from A to B, how many possibilities? It consists of 3 rows, 3 plus 4 columns. Okay, completely factorial over separate factorial 3 into 4 factorial, right? Now simplify, get the answer. You know, this is factorial 7 over factorial 3 factorial 4, right? What is value? You know, the factorial value, simplification, how to simple way of simplifying factorials. This can write 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4 here cancel. This is 6. Yes, therefore 35 chance, right? From here to here 35, A to B 35 chance. Please note that without any obstacles or any condition, restriction, without that. 35 chance. Every 35 chance, another 1 way, 2 way, 3 way, we have to find that. Now see from B to C. B to C, the ways, the path. It consists 2 rows and 2 columns. They are simple. 2 plus 2 factorial over 2 factorial, right? Therefore, the answer 4 factorial 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So simplify, get the value. What is simplification? 4 into 3, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, or 4 into 3 and factorial 2 cancel below 2. Therefore, 12, 6 is it? 6 chances. A to B, 35 chances. B to C, 6 chances. Therefore, altogether, what is the value? 35 multiple 6. So clearly write and follow this way. Copy down and see the word. We'll show separately A to B how many possibilities, B to C how many possibilities. Therefore, totally multiple. Yeah. Okay, come back and a nice trigonometry question. So almost this is the structure paper, the essay paper, permutation, combination, NPR, NCR question. Okay. Now come to this solve this problem, but not solving the problem is available on the thumbnail or the YouTube banner. So what the question is, when you solve this trigonometric equation, 2 sine cube x minus cos 2x minus sin x equal to 0, we have so many infinite or many number of values for x, but they bounded, you can find few answers only. The question is this: find the sum of the roots, find the sum of the answers of this equation in the range of this, okay, minus pi to pi, right? Minus pi to pi, all the answers and their sum. The question is, find the sum of the solutions, find the sum of the all solution in the range of minus pi to pi. Okay, so actually what do you mean minus pi to pi? The pi, so this box bracket there for equal. If I show this inequality pattern, minus pi like this, okay, is the meaning, right? Therefore, for example, minus pi minus 180. Next one, if you see minus 3 pi by 4, 135, like this, 0, minus pi by 2, like this, you have to cut up to pi. What are the solution? Just we find all the solution and we find the sum, right? So how to solve? 2 sine cube, okay, minus cos 2x minus sin x. Therefore, the technique, try to change this cos 2x into sine. What is cos 2x? 1 minus 2 sine square x, right? Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. Therefore, 2 sine cube x, okay, minus what is cos 2x? 1 minus, therefore minus 1 plus 2 sine square x, or in the negative sine x, okay, equal to 0. So can I rearrange proper polynomial pattern degree 3, like the squares and sine? 2 sine cube x, positive 2 sine square x minus sine x minus 1 equal to 0. Now you can factorize easily, pair of, take the 2 out, sine square out, okay. And what is that balance part? Sine x plus 1, right? You take the minus 1, yes, sine x minus 1 plus 1, yes. Therefore, no doubt the factors are 2 sine square x minus 1, okay, and sine x plus 1, right? Okay, these are the solution bracket factors. Actually, you can find this x, no problem. You have x, what is sine x plus or minus 1 over root 2 pi by 4 pattern. Otherwise, can I write cos 2 sine square x 1 minus cos 2x? That also can, right? Okay. Sine x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, therefore solve this is cos 2x. Okay, cos 2x equal to 1, right? Otherwise, sine x equal to negative 1. So find all the solution this region. In this region, you can find all the possible answers first. Next, find their sum. The problem is not on the earlier days. We have question for solve the general equation or find a general equation or gets answers. Now this question, not only solution, find their sum, right? Okay, so can I work one question part first? Cos 2x1, we'll see. Then, you know, general case, write this cos theta equal cos alpha pattern. Cos theta equal cos alpha pattern. Okay, cos naught is 1, right? Okay. Therefore, you know, 2x equal 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2, is it? Cos 2x equal cos naught is 1, right? Cos naught is 1. Therefore, 2x, what is cos t, general solution? Cos theta equal cos alpha pattern. Then the theta equal 2n pi plus or minus theta. Plus or minus theta, therefore 0. 0, okay, 2x equal cos 2x equal cos naught. Therefore 2x equal 2n pi plus or minus naught. Cos naught is 1, right? Cos naught is 1. Is it okay here, right? Then write the 2 sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x. Here these factors are check value, sine x plus 2 sine square minus 1, right? Okay. And here sine x plus 1 factor, sine x minus 1, 2 sine square minus x. What is 2 sine square minus 1? 2 sine square minus cos 2x. No, this is minus cos 2x. Is it okay? 2 sine square minus 1 minus cos 2x. See, that's wrong. This is unedited video. Be careful. So see that minus cos 2x, okay. 2 sine square minus 1 minus, or you can leave it, this can work out. So we come to this one, therefore cos 2x 0, that is cos pi by 2, What the solution? 2x equal 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2. Therefore, x answer divide by 2, n pi plus or minus pi by 4. We come back to solution. Now come to this one, sin x minus 1. Can I say that negative pi by 2? Okay. So sin x equal sin minus theta minus sin theta. That is sin minus pi by 2. Or you can take 3 pi by 2 format also. Sin theta equals sin alpha form. What is x answer? N pi plus minus 1 to the power n minus pi by 2, or otherwise n pi, this minus come with this minus. These are general answers, right? But the question from the minus pi to plus pi, what are the solutions for this, and find their sum, right? Find their sum. Therefore, I come back to that case. I will show all the possible answers for this given solution from minus 180 to plus 180. Okay, come back. This one, x equal n pi plus or minus pi by 4. X equal n pi plus or minus pi by 4. See what are the answers. If I take first n value, or take the positive, get values, take the negative, get values. Is it okay? I'll show a couple of the full detailed solution. You take the concept summary of that solving general equation of trigonometry. If I show n minus 2, n minus 1, n 0, 1, 2, for example, what happens if n is minus 2? Take the plus symbol, get the answer here, x value. So x equal, if n is minus 2, minus 2 pi plus pi by 4. That is minus 8, minus 7 pi by 4. Minus 7 pi by 4 less than the minus pi. Less than the minus pi, we won't take that one. not need of that value. What about this one? Put n4 minus 2, x equal here minus 2 pi minus pi by 4 minus 9 pi, no, smaller than further decay, lower than minus pi, that's lower, you can't take. I'm showing the technique. Later part you can minimize your work. N is minus 1 here, x equal minus pi, positive pi by 4. Is there possible? Yeah, minus 3 pi by 4 here, minus 3 pi by 4 chance, minus 3 pi by 4 chance here. That's can minus 3 pi by 4, 45 3 times, yes. Between minus pi and pi, the solution can take. Let's see. And what about here one? X equal put n4 minus 1 minus pi by 4, that is 5 times pi by 4, that is minus pi and further decay, it won't come. You can't take this one, this boundary, it won't come this boundary, okay. X is 0, n is 0, positive pi by 4, yes, can take. Here negative pi by 4 can take, okay. If n is 1, check. Pi plus pi by 4, no chance. Yes, can. 5 pi by 4, no chance. N is 1, 1 pi plus pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, no chance. Negative symbol, n is 1 pi minus pi by 4. What is that? 4, yes, 3 pi by 4 can. That value can use it. Also see if n is 2, what happened? N is 2 pi, no chance. I'm showing that just because we need the minus pi to plus 5 is exceeding pi, no chance. Here what is that? Negative symbol. Also 2 pi minus pi by 4 is 8 pi, 7 pi, no. Therefore in this case, what are the values here? You can take minus 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, pi by 4, okay, minus pi by 4. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4 values available, right? Okay. Now we come to this solution, n pi plus minus 1 n pi by 2. Be careful, find the solution for this given range of theta or x answers. Okay, I will work out this here. You put n values separately. N values, n is like earlier minus 1, 0, 1, 2, check value. If n is minus 1, what is that? Minus pi. If n is minus 1, you know the n can use it minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, many more. Put n4 minus 1 minus pi. If n is minus 1, that is minus 1 to the power minus 1. Minus 1 to the power minus, integers work. That is 1 over minus 1, so minus plus pi by 2. Okay. The answer if n is minus 1, n is minus 1 value, n is minus 1 minus pi. Okay. This becomes minus 1 to the power minus. That is 1 over minus, this plus become therefore negative pi by 2 can take. That can be considered minus pi by 2 can. Okay. Put n for 0, what is n for 0? Here null, n for 0, any power 0 is 1, minus pi by 2, okay. Minus pi by 2 can, right? If n is 1, what is n is 1? Pi, 1 pi, n is 1 minus plus pi by 2, okay. Plus pi by 2, that is, you can't take it 3 pi by 2, no chance. Is no chance because the solution between from the minus pi to plus 5 range, right? Is it okay if n is 1? N is 1, put n for 1 here, 1 pi. Here n is 1, minus 1, power 1, minus plus, no chance. But now n is 2, see n is 2, 2 pi. If n is 2 square, this is minus, okay. N is 2, even number, minus 1, even number, positive, but there's a minus, so my pi by 2. So that is 3 pi by 2 is once again 3 pi by 2. So like my much more. What about the n? If n is minus 2, if we apply n for minus, some problem. If n is minus 2, minus 2 pi here, minus 2 pi, minus 2 pi. If n is minus 2, minus 1 power minus 2, that is 1 square 1 over minus 1 square positive as completely positive, but here negative. So minus 2 pi, also you can't take it. Therefore, here the solution minus pi by 2, okay, minus pi by 2, the same answer here. So you know this one answer, another one here, here. So all sum, then so for pi by 4 minus pi by 4 cancel, okay, minus 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 cancel. Negative pi by 2 is the answer. I use long time to explain this part, tricky. You'll find properly all final solution and go to the answer. Question is, find the sum of the roots of this given trigonometric equation in the range of this. Okay, we'll see next time with an attractive paper out exam series.